If it weren't for the gravitational force on Earth, we would float instead of walk. It's what binds us and mostly everything around us to the Earth. But in some places on Earth, a strange phenomenon is at work, and the gravitational force becomes zero. From the waterfall that's flow defies logic to the mystery anomaly in a forest outside of Santa Cruz, California. Hi everyone! Here are some places on Earth where gravity doesn't seem to work. Number 1. The Oregon Vortex. Open to visitors since 1930. The Oregon Vortex is a must-see roadside attraction. Located in Gold Hill, Oregon, USA, this area defies gravity and also has a bone-chilling backstory of what more could anyone want. Built on what is believed to be ancient Native American forbidden land, this area is prone to paranormal events dating back centuries. The attraction consists of many interesting effects and optical illusions and is one of the oldest in the area. People are drawn from near and far to see the place where bubble levels, tape measures, yardsticks, uphill ball rolling, and plumb lines are used to demonstrate its anti-gravity properties. The paranormal effect creates a 165-foot magnet radius, which is said to be the cause of the bending light, altering of masses, in gravity defiance. This is a must-see for the adventurers to the least. Don't you agree? Think that was weird? The next place is gonna blow your mind. If you wanna help us out, please give this a like and comments for the algorithm, cause it will really help the channel out a lot. Thank you so much. Number 2. The mysterious road in South Korea. The world really is a fascinating place. So fascinating it can often leave you speechless. This mystery in Jeju, South Korea is one that will have you guessing well after you have visited. An optical illusion in the form of the mysterious road that defies gravity lies on Gravity Hill. The road is on a slight downward incline, but actually looks like it slopes uphill. It really is quite the unusual sight. In fact, it makes you wanna blink to check if what you're seeing is real. This is caused by the illusion that the surrounding land and layout is flat. The Gravity Hill area can make it seem like a car is left out of gear and with no foot on, the accelerator can move uphill by itself. This area can also make water appear like it's flowing upwards. People who have experienced the mysterious road can't believe their eyes when their cars look to be traveling uphill by themselves. The mysterious road runs for about 100 meters and has a clearly marked starting and end point. If you're visiting this area, you better like crowds, cause there are literally thousands of tourists flooding to witness this phenomenon each year. So, which of these was your favorite place? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much. Number 3. Golden Rock, Myanmar. For many centuries, the Golden Rock has been defying the laws of gravity. Located in Mon State, Myanmar, the Kyaktube Gado or Golden Rock is a 611-ton giant. It is huge, measuring 5 meters high and with a circumference of 50 feet. It sits within a world-renowned Buddhist pilgrimage site that houses a small pagoda which is built on top of the granite boulder. These attractions each become a thing of beauty when the sun reflects off their surfaces, creating a golden gleam. The boulder is precariously perched up high on the side of Mount Kyaktube and is said to be held by just one strand of the Buddha's hair. Whether that's true or not remains to be seen, but it certainly adds to the rock of hill. At first glance, it looks like the boulders floating in the air, and perhaps even on the verge of rolling down the cliff. The rocks hangs off the cliffside by at least half its actual size, sitting above a vertical drop over the deep valley below. Travelers come to see the rock from all over the world. Most believe that a mere glimpse will be blessing enough, and they lay gifts and food as an offering to the gods. This golden beauty is well worth a look. Number 4. Stone of the Bosco, Argentina. In a fight between a boulder and gravity is the clear winner. The Bosco stone, as it was named, sat quite nicely upon the face of a massive rock formation before gravity pushed it over the edge, but before it fell, it spent thousands of years perched up on the hill, defying gravity. Could you imagine being taunted for that many years? Poor gravity. I bet it was pleased when the boulder finally fell. The fallen 300-ton boulder, which split into several pieces on impact, was replaced by a 9-ton plastic replica that is fixed to the rock formation around it. The stone of the Bosco has many legends and stories surrounding it. Many believing that when people began to settle in the area, a king's favorite son was responsible. He not only brought them to the area, he also taught them cattle breeding and farming. When he left, he promised the people he would return, leaving the huge stone on the top of the mountain as a reminder. He is also said to have put a spell on it to ensure it didn't fall into the abyss below. Scientists have a more plausible explanation. They believe the stone appeared to defy gravity due to small stones halting its movement and keeping it stable for all those years. Whatever the reason for its gravity-defying properties and its subsequent fall from grace, we're glad we weren't there to witness it fall. Could you imagine the noise? Not to mention the trembling of the earth below. That would have been some earthquake. If you're enjoying this video and want to help us out, please give this a like and comment for the algorithm. Thanks a lot. Number 5. Raw dough and mandoim. Peanut Street. Don't leave your car unattended on Peanut Street. It may just get stolen by an invisible force. Yeah, that's right. Peanut Street has an invisible thief. Cars that stop on this anti-gravity street seem to slowly roll uphill, gaining speed as they flee the scene. So you best put your brakes on, or you might fall foul of the law. Many explanations have been tossed around for these strange happenings, from the obvious theft theory to the hill being haunted. There's also a suggestion that there might be a huge deposit of iron beneath the street, which draws vehicles uphill with its magnetic pull. However, in reality, this is all just an optical illusion, as the street appears to have a steep incline, but there is in fact an unnoticeable dip in the road. Peanut Street is in Brazil, and it's a street that creates a lot of attention. Puzzle drivers and pedestrians often gather to try and figure out the case of this magic and mysterious street. Many thanks for your watching. Please don't forget to use all the ones at your disposal down there, like comment, share, subscribe. Do all that. It really helps the channel and we appreciate it dearly. Take care.